Welcome to my YouTube channel Turbo Ride TV, and today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, a first-of-its-kind concept in the American luxury travel market, the USA Luxury Motorhome BMW 2026 model. This machine isn't just a motorhome, it's a full-scale mobile luxury residence engineered with the precision, performance DNA, and design philosophy you'd expect from BMW, expanded into an entirely new category. So let's take a deep breath, settle in, and explore why this model is redefining what a luxury motorhome can be. Let's begin with the exterior because the moment this motorhome comes into view, you immediately understand that it's not designed to blend in, it's designed to dominate. The front showcases BMW's futuristic interpretation of their iconic design language, with a wide panoramic smart glass windshield that curves across the upper body for maximum visibility. Ultra-thin laser LED headlights create an unmistakable presence even from a distance, and the gold-accented aerodynamic lines sculpted along the sides give it a road-commanding profile. This motorhome sits on a multi-axle platform with massive performance wheels that look more like something from a luxury touring coach than a traditional RV. Every panel, every contour, every air vent pattern is crafted to reduce drag and enhance road stability, giving it a sleek, modern aesthetic that feels more like a moving mansion than a conventional travel vehicle. Moving inside, the interior is where the 2026 BMW motorhome truly becomes something extraordinary. Step through the automatic sliding door and you're welcomed by an open-plan layout that feels like a high-end penthouse suite. BMW's new panoramic ambient lighting system flows through the walls, floors, and ceiling, offering customizable colors and moods that adapt to time of day or passenger preference. The living lounge features plush seating wrapped in premium eco-leather, a floating entertainment wall with a 75-inch OLED screen, and panoramic smart glass windows that can turn from transparent to tinted with a single touch. The kitchen is fully equipped with induction surfaces, a holographic cooking interface, a built-in smart refrigerator, and metallic cabinetry that blends seamlessly with the sleek interior lines. The bedroom area includes a full queen-size bed, an illuminated headboard, intelligent climate zones, and hidden storage compartments. Even the bathroom is luxury hotel level, complete with a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and voice-controlled lighting. Every inch of this motorhome feels crafted, tailored, and engineered to make long-distance travel feel effortless and indulgent. Now let's talk about performance, because even though this is a motorhome, BMW has refused to compromise on driving dynamics. The 2026 model is powered by a next-generation hybrid performance system that combines a high-output electric motor with a refined turbocharged engine. The result is smooth acceleration, impressive torque, and silent electric-only driving for city travel. On highways, the hybrid system automatically adjusts to maximize efficiency and maintain a steady power curve, giving the driver that classic BMW confidence. The multi-axle adaptive suspension ensures stability even on uneven surfaces, and the smart terrain sensors automatically adjust ride height depending on road conditions. Despite its size, the steering precision is shockingly responsive thanks to BMW's 4D dynamic control system that continuously scans road behavior and adjusts the motorhome's balance in real time. Whether you're cruising through mountain roads or rolling down long American highways, this motorhome handles with the composure of a premium touring vehicle. Safety is one area where BMW has gone all in with cutting-edge innovation. The 2026 motorhome features a full 360-degree protection suite. This includes adaptive radar, lidar sensors, ultrasonic detectors, AI-assisted autonomous driving support, and predictive collision avoidance. The blind spot detection is enhanced with holographic overlays displayed on the windshield, while lane keeping, emergency braking, cross-traffic alerts, and pedestrian detection work seamlessly in the background. There's also a semi-autonomous highway mode that allows the motorhome to maintain speed, distance, and lane position with minimal driver input. BMW added reinforced structural beams, impact zones, and a protective battery enclosure to maximize safety even in extreme scenarios. Inside, airbags are positioned not just at the front but strategically throughout the cabin, ensuring comprehensive protection no matter where passengers are located. This motorhome doesn't just move you, it protects you with intelligence and precision. Now let's highlight what truly sets this model apart. The unique selling points start with its design philosophy, a luxury motorhome built with the soul of a performance vehicle. No brand has blended high-end residential comfort with premium driving dynamics the way BMW has in this model. The seamless integration of smart glass windows, holographic controls, adaptive lighting, and a fully connected onboard AI makes this motorhome feel like a futuristic residence on wheels. The multi-zone climate system learns your preferences. The entertainment system syncs with smartphones and personal devices instantly. The motorhome even features solar charging panels integrated into the roof for supplemental energy when parked. It's a perfect blend of technology, luxury, comfort, and road-ready performance, offering a lifestyle that is both adventurous and elegant. Finally, let's talk price. As expected with this level of engineering and luxury, the 2026 BMW motorhome commands a premium. Depending on configuration, customizations, and powertrain choices, the expected price range lands squarely in the high luxury segment. But considering the craftsmanship, the technology, the performance capabilities, and the fact that this motorhome replaces both a luxury residence and a luxury vehicle, the value proposition becomes clear. You're not just buying transportation, you're buying freedom, comfort, status, and an experience that only a handful of people will ever enjoy. In conclusion, the USA luxury motorhome BMW 2026 model is a groundbreaking step into the future of travel. It's bold, refined, powerful, and intelligently designed. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures, full-time motorhome living, or simply exploring the world with unmatched comfort, this model stands out as an exceptional new chapter in mobile luxury. Thanks for joining me today on Turbo Ride TV. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, drive smart, travel well, and stay tuned for more extraordinary machines.